Hello everybody, today just a quick unboxing of the new IC-7300 Mark II. I got this in January 2026 for 1549 euros from radiosystem.it. Not sponsored, by the way, just the best price I could find on the Italian internet shops. And they provide this with the extended band with no overprice. They do that by default, which is very nice. So let's move on. I'm sorry for the bad viewing angle, but you know, I do what I can here. Okay, so let's see what we get in the box. The manuals, of course. We got the Italian version. I mean, these are just manuals, but I want to show you everything you get in the box. All right, and finally the English one. And don't worry, you find this on the internet if you want. All right. Now the accessories. Let's see, here we have some spare fuses, 30 amps probably, and another one. They're the same, and this small one, 5 amps. Then we get this adapter for the jack. This other connector, I'm not sure, this is not the microphone, right? I think this is for the connector on the back of the transceiver. Yeah, for interfacing it with other devices. This 6.3 millimeters adapter and a bunch of screws. Then the microphone. Here is the connector. And here is the microphone. It's just the standard microphone, but I want to show you everything in details. Here we have the clicky push to talk button, down and up. This is the power cable. I'm pretty sure this box only comes with the European version, and yeah, it says EMC filter. So this is not a power supply or anything like that, it's just a filter for interference. On one side we have the transceiver connector and the ground wire, and on the other side the cables that go to the power supply and 30 amps fuses. And another one. And finally the transceiver itself. And here it is. There is a bit of dust on it, but you know, it's probably because of the band expansion operation that they performed on this. I'm pretty sure they did. And so probably just a bit dusty, but nothing to worry about. This is it. Again, I want to show you this very in detail. It comes with this desk stand integrated. Let's see. Very good. And let's look at the backside. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for sharing this unboxing with me. Bye bye.